माय स्टँड इज व्हेरी क्लियर. नो डबल ट्रॅकिंग, नो कोल फॉर गोवा. आम्ही वो इश्यू पार्लमेंटानूय काडला, म्हजेर केसूय जाल्या. इवन नाव in the next week again the case will come in the court. The trial has already started against us. So आम्ही बॅकअप जायना. पयर कितें जालें कालचें न्ही, पयर around 1:30 I got a call from some people from Welsaw, Molo, थंय that area, की RVNL have come with police force आणि they are encroaching into our people's property आणि आमचें घर मोडपाचें आहा अशें दिसता म्हणपा लागलो. So we rushed it and I questioned these RVNL people की why all are here, why, what brings all here, do you all have any orders, why all have brought the police force. म्हणजे पुलीस फोर्स करून आमच्या लोकांक भेगणायता तुम्ही. न म्हणपा लागलो दिस इज आवर प्रॉपर्टी. आय शो युअर डॉक्युमेंट्स, यू शो युअर डॉक्युमेंट्स म्हणे. आणि आमच्या लोकांक सांगले तुम्ही डॉक्युमेंट्स हाडा. आणि आय शोड आवर पीपल डॉक्युमेंट क्लिअरली शो दिस इज देअर प्रॉपर्टी. वाय आर यू एनक्रोचिंग इनटू आवर प्रॉपर्टी. सो they then said no, we have been given the acquisition dana and we have been awarded. I immediately called up the collector. I said this matter has to be sorted out. Our papers are very clear, our people's properties, documents are showing it is their property. RVNL cannot force their way into our property. So I told her please call for a meeting immediately. So call the meeting zali. And in that meeting we told them, let me be very clear, I said we have been fighting this battle against double tracking, against coal. And to sawu hallo tancho काल फर्स्ट टाइम ॲक्च्युली ताका पयला हांवें म्हळे यू आर द मॅन हू आर क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लेम बिकॉज यू शूड हॅव म्हळे कम टू द कलेक्टर ऑर एनीबडी एंड शोन वॉट पेपर्स यू हॅव. वी हॅव आवर पेपर्स, वी ब्रॉट आर डॉक्युमेंट, ऑल द पीपल, फॉर्म 1 and 14 and all the everything is there, सेल डीड हा सगळें हा. सो वी सेड यू विल नॉट कम दिस. नाव काल जेन्ना मिटींग जाली दे ब्रॉट द डिप्युटी कलेक्टर, दे ब्रॉट एवरीबडी फ्रॉम द कलेक्टर साइड आनी आमी आमच्या लोकांक हाडली. सो बीइंग MP शी टोल्ड मी ओके यू चेअर द मीटिंग. In that we said, has the demarcation been done? Documents are very clear, it is in our favor. Our people, that is 8/1, our people are having documents, ownership documents. So they are trying to use their force. RVNL is trying to use their force. Secondly, government has failed. Government is fully backing these railway people because for whom it is going to benefit? Only Adani and this Jindal who are bringing coal. First you all were saying it is of passenger, तेन्नाच आम्ही सांगले passenger काय ना म्हण. There is one line which is already underutilized for passenger. This is only meant for coal. Sagarmala documents are very clear. It shows it is meant for coal. The 3 linear projects are meant for coal. Now I have raised this in parliament also, where the minister for coal has admitted that this is the place, this is the port from where coal has to be taken. Why Goa? Why not on the eastern side? The government policy, central government policy is very clear. Hazardous cargo, which includes coal, has to be handled on the eastern port. अरे तुम्ही अडानी कृष्णापट्टनम पोर्ट दिलो तुम्ही, so handle your coal there. Why you are bringing into Goa? Secondly, Bellary ha, then Bellikari port ha, magir Kharwar ha, which is now Bellikari port is close to Ankola where the railway line is there. तुम्ही थंय unload करून वरा न्ही. Why you all are bringing to Mormugao? The only organized sector tourism will collapse. Secondly, what is Goa known for? Sobit Sundar Goa म्हणटा, कोल हाडून आमकां काबार करतले. This battle will continue. We will oppose coal, we will oppose double tracking. That is our stand. It is not now, it is always. And also the Congress party. In fact, just 2 days back I had put a status where Rahul Gandhi had made a speech at Welsaw on the beach when he had come 3 years back, that Congress party will oppose double tracking, it will oppose Goa being turned into a coal hub. Here I stand. And secondly, as a member of parliament, I will keep quiet. I will allow the houses of our people to be demolished. They are my people. Amcha goy karte. So whoever is making this come to save the people. Video kadpak easy the. Come on the ground. Cases have been filed against us. We will fight the government. This BJP government is there and I doubt who is behind these videos.